Samsung presents its new Galaxy M series in India, in an attempt to compete against Chinese rivals such as Xiaomi. The two Android phones, the M10 and M20, include Samsung's new Infinity V teardrop-shaped screen and are designed to be the successors of the A series of phones. Samsung is clearly targeting millennials with the Galaxy M, and the company has partnered with Amazon India for its launch. The Galaxy M20 has a 6.3-inch 1080x2340 screen with an aspect ratio of 19.59, and is powered by the new quad-core processor Exynos 7904. Samsung offers two variants of the Galaxy M20, with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage, or 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. Surprisingly, Samsung includes a 5000 mAh battery in the Galaxy M20, which should give a good battery life for a smartphone so cheap. Samsung's Galaxy M10 has a 6.22-inch 720x1520 display with an aspect ratio of 19.59. Samsung is powering the Galaxy M10 with the Exynos 7870, which should make it more energy efficient. There is a smaller battery of 3400 mAh as a result. Both devices will have dual rear cameras, with a 13-megapixel f1.9 main camera, along with a 5-megapixel f2.2 camera. Samsung also includes a fingerprint sensor mounted on the back, USB-C and a headphone jack on both the Galaxy M20 and the M10.